and welcome to the Adventures of Flat Piano Digital Do-It-Yourself curriculum. My name is Hannah Snavely, and this is part of the Gluck Fellowship for Online Learning through the University of California, Riverside. In this video, you will learn how to make your own flat piano. At the end, it will look something like this. For this activity, you will need three things: a piece of paper held in a horizontal direction, a writing utensil, such as a pen, pencil, or for me, I will use a marker, and an optional tool is a ruler or a tape measure. So the first thing you are going to do is, holding your paper horizontally, you are going to draw 7 lines that are equally distant apart from each other. For mine, since I'm using a ruler, they will be about 1 1/4 inches apart. So I'm first going to mark the 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the next thing you are going to do is you are going to draw these 7 lines. I'm going to use a scrap piece of paper to be able to draw them nicely, but you can use a ruler or you can freehand, but this is what I have available at the house, so this is what I'm going to use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next thing you're going to do is label each of them. So these are all of your white keys. So first one, C, and then moving right, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Now for this next step, you are going to draw the black keys. So they go between C and D. You draw little rectangles like that. And then between D and E. And then you color them in. So you can, for coloring them in, feel free to use markers, crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels if you have them, really whatever. And they can be any color that you want. They don't have to be black. So colored in like that. And then the next one goes between F and G. Again, you're making rectangles. And then between G and A. And between A and B. Now we will not actually play on these black notes, but they are more so here to help you remember where we are playing when we play the songs. So after you are satisfied with the coloring in, you are done and you are ready to play your flat piano.